Good day, everybody. Today I will describe the project that was talked about in the fourth lecture of the series on astrophysics of neutron stars. Because of the power failure experienced on that day, many people have missed out on the description. The abstract of the project is already uploaded in the IAU OAD site that is being maintained by Professor Hassan. And this is just in addition to that abstract, a little description of the project to clarify what we are planning to do in this project. So this is about one of the subclasses of neutron stars, the magnetars, which have been talked about earlier. Just to remind you, these are the different classes of neutron stars: the rotation powered pulsars, the accretion powered objects, and the internal energy objects. Now the magnetars come in the class of internal energy objects, which are actually powered by the decay of their extremely strong magnetic field, and the rotation powered pulsars receive their energy. The source of their energy is the rotational energy, because of which they slow down. Now we know that the channel between the rotation powered pulsars and the accretion powered objects, the evolutionary link is through the binary processing because of material accretion from the companion onto the neutron star. What we will explore is the other channel shown by the red arrows here, which probably connects the rotation powered pulsars to the internal energy object like magnetars through magnetothermal evolution. Now, just to quickly remind you what we are doing here is this picture. It describes all the neutron stars in a magnetic field spin period diagram. Here are the bulk of the neutron stars observed as rotation powered pulsars. With time, they slow down and they go over to this region where we only see them if they are in an accreting binary system, accreting mass, and thereby emitting X-ray pulsars. Emitting X-ray radiation. And through binary processing, if they are in a massive binary system, they would emerge around this region, and if they are in low mass X-ray binary system, that is the companion is low mass star, they would likely emerge in this region as millisecond pulsars. Now our project is to look at the other part of the diagram, namely trying to connect these objects, which are the magnetars, to this main bulk of neutron stars, which are seen as radio pulsars. So the steps for this project are: compare intrinsic parameters like spin and magnetic field of the radio pulsar and the magnetar population, do a literature survey to find examples of high magnetic field radio pulsars that sometimes behave like magnetars, and some magnetars which sometimes behave like radio pulsars. We would then investigate the spin period magnetic field evolution in time of the radio pulsars and of the magnetars separately because they have different characteristics. And then we would compare the evolved populations to see whether there is an arrow of time between the radio pulsar population towards magnetars or in the reverse direction. This is, in very brief, the outline of our project. For this, what we would require are these repositories. The radio pulsar population data can be obtained from the ATNF pulsar repository. Details about magnetar population can be found from this repository. And for all our literature survey, to find the characteristic behavior of these objects and whether some of them behave like the other, for all the references, we have to go to this repository. Now, the first discussion of this project would take place virtually, of course, at 6 p.m. on 26th of October, that is next Monday. I will send a link for the meeting to people who have already sent me a mail saying that they intend to work on this project. So if you have not done that yet, please send a mail to me so that you can join in the first discussion. In case you somehow miss sending me an email before 26th of October, I understand this is the festival season, even though we are not celebrating the festival like normal years. But in case you miss this discussion and wish to join the project even later, that's also all right. You please send me a mail and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much.